This is a very serious topic. Masturbation. A very, very serious topic. A lot of people have been taken captive by the spirit of masturbation. The forces behind masturbation. Now, Onyamia Famiso Adi Womwa Aquacoto Sampuchiri. A Dipa Bibri call saying, the Nipa Bibri Guason Lema, they are masturbators, both male and female. People have become chronic masturbators. Woma ya sen kombe to ye jai, and so much to me. Aquina Nabasi Christo ever found so a Sunday Safuni and your feet sa and Puchini. I don't see one man was a video, the same day I wouldn't know Marka. If you're body for no Edwoma Kugu, if you are sick, it was Sadio, Obeya or Gia and Yamokra. The DNA of Sofu Bena rescue the perishing our Gimedi and Amasa anyway. So, Brena, Abono Milo, Amachino Milo, Ewo Ghana, 2 a.m. local time, Ghana. If you are here for now, I believe say you have different time zones. And you are not paying Christo Befano, so number one, a body for the Makoto Sampuchi. It is a video, no, you list me more about a view. And I'm recruiting be a yam in the pan, if I say, you tea a moon sem na fee, you say, you do me, I say. The ra who ye. call be a and the Mensakaye or software, how a software, our master DT for 15 years, or Kenya Miasem call out for your evangelism. I felt say there are many people out there who hear and na said ye say 2 years ago a rather family so boa in Nipabinom, Africa, Ethiopia, Mekai, Ethiopia, Uganda, and Nigeria for they called him, they confessed their sins. Christopher Mesoboa, it's your name so. Beside the way for an to hold never dear from the so about Sabrina now Facebook Live no and said my idea fake you say it in the WhatsApp platform so now Sedan they say I feel we have a bigger platform you may use to a same souls that will be a body for not teaching not to body beam no didn't want on you know the better and chill money is Salimu in Abba Christo. Heaven no me say me pomo dia Ghana for president the mako mom pese mo bokra by force heaven no mo bepo me makwan e ma boni fo no ewie di pasa e do ti se video no e bra enche na me ba be se adisuya na se no na fi me de we wura hu a kire o se de boni fo no oye na de ne kwan a wafa so a odi nipa bebre kra akwa kogu afiase Kwame Asamoah Akwaba Osuru Benji Kukura Sasebe Wuso Oba G Nana Kwesi Ure Akwaba, kindly share the video and let us get those who are online to join the feed as we discuss this important issue. Zewuni Yeshua Sabrina Afi Baba say you medino ase Anunti enche niebe bompaye Afei mayemo mpae ebra yehye yadesua yasi yeda wase ona obo osoro ne asase na oma yenkwa na osiesi ne mapa enkunimdie edema yen wasem kire yense obonefo ne mma agisu bewia na wakum na wasai Satan eginetu asasi so ne se okra ba kompo emma wonchen wonam kwan bebere so afa wiase no mum afa emabunu empo emu enkofo a wafre won asra won wo se nka o meye dwuma ma wo wia bebere akra de wankogu afiase na nanopei wama kwan se ebi wo befa honhom so esane wo mu a wokwakoto saa empochire mu masturbation mesere wa hoɔden ani utumi sɛ ensane mbra obi biara a ɔhwɛ me sabre wɔn a ɛbɛhwɛ video later on the bible ne sɛ utumi no hoɔden sane mbra wo nyinaa so bi yadwen mu wɛ ne bi yaniwa ne bi yaso sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a wɔawurade yɛbɛte wo ne mempɛ sɛ onipa bi bɛyɛ yeraba wɔ bra wɔtie me nsɛm ɛsiane sɛ wonam Paul ne adikanfoɔ no so gye nipa bebree nkwa ɛba nkwagye mu sara na aduru yɛn so ɛtiwura emfasa ehuntase ngui enkame uma anopei kasa anopei biebie so na enchi huma biara Satan ya chechere wo mu no yensane wo mu nyina mfiri mu na omeye adehye ema wo awurade meda wase tumi biara ose onte ase no bema ne hom ne so ewo na anopei dwumadi se omma ogye enyinyame madea no eyensuo tumi abeye tumi abusum tumi bebre wo nyina se edise Kristo tumi ase bedi hene yemfa na ase ma wo awurade wo Yesu Kristo de mu amen. Say yeka masturbation memma ene mma nyina ene wo saa problem no enipa bebree na masturbation no a part of sexual immorality adwamambo ewiase ko na wiye no one deadly weapon as Satan ato ediabo the church a sexual immorality. One deadly weapon. It is the final weapon Satan ato ediamane asoreno. Na di inti a waye sa ne say onim se Nyankopon se di osi ye no baabi a wo betina eyi nipadua mu. So can chirosem no omayi hunu say according to the book of Acts no osi onyame onte edan a yede ensa esimu ensa yede ensa esimu ontim enti asore dan ahodo a yesisi the monumental edifices a yesisi the physical structure yesisi a yekusiem no eho no yisia den eho yekusiem ekosome urade ba baabi a Nyankopɔn te poten ewu nipa waba bedi na di eye unipadua enumu na honkronkron no ete ma menkenkan en confirm from the book of 1 Corinthians chapter number 6 verse 9. 1 Corinthians chapter number 6 verse 9 or say anase munim se won a wontene rinya Nyankopɔn aheni no momma won na adamu adwamamofo ene abosonsomfo ene awaresefo ni awohwifo ene mmarima woni mmarima da ene awifo ene anibrefo ene asabo entokwapefo ene amimfo rinya Onyankopɔn aheni no saa na nanka mu bi etie na afi wadware mo na wate mo ho na wabu mo bem Awurade Yesu Kristo edimu. Now 2 Corinthians chapter number 6 verse 1 Corinthians chapter number 3 verse 16. 1 Corinthians chapter number 3 verse 16. to confirm that our bodies are the temple of God. 1 Corinthians chapter number 3 verse 16. Or say, Munim se moyo nyankopon asoridan. Na nyankopon honhom etimu. Se obi sei nyankopon asoridan a, sei eno nyankopon ebesei no. If we say nyankopon asoridan hote na ene moara. If we say Unyankopon asoridan hote na asoridan no ene moara. Enti ehuntase me wo mu ni say Satan nim say unya kosi onipa bi a waba sase so abedi Awurade achi na ni nipadua no odefile ni sei pe ana odi efi ebeka nipadua ni sei pe Nyankopon honhom kronkron na ati yemu a ema yen adehye na eboa yen de tutu ya na mosisi yi na oye yen kaikaifuo kyerɛkyerɛfuo na oyi yen free boni bia mu no. Satan nim say so nya di adwamammo ebesue asɔre ni sei pe enipa bebre na nyame ntumi nyi omonkwa esan say boni enipa yi nyina ewu nipadua n'achi gye adwamammo. Eti any form of sexual immorality a eba bedukuru onipa no ema kronkron efiri nipa no mko efise ontumi ni efi entna na se honhom ni free nipa no mko a spiritually no na Satan kasa aba beji nipadua na boso efiri sa abre no ko ni ope eno di nipadua ne ye na torosem no ama yehunu se nyame bu nipa no oye no akwamiensa meka 3 entities yewo honam yewo okra ene yewo honhom aye 3 yewo honam yewo okra ene yewo honhom. Now honam no related to the physical world, okra no related to the metaphysical world, in between the spiritual and physical and the metaphysical. Ena honhom no so de aye spiritual. Now honhom na aye spiritual no eno de enye bone. It is untouchable. Bibi no we betumi edi ne nsaka honhom no. Na honhom ne die ebesa ko Nyankopon nchen ebra yewu. Na okra no eni nipadua ne mienu. Ahanom na ohaw no. Na Satan nim say ansana obetumi afa okra no edi na koto afiase no. Ade se wafa nipadua no amana ye bone. Na bone nipadua no be ya edi okra ne ba koto afiase no edoso. Nemu ni ebeji nipa no fa wodi afiri ne nsa na pamo hon kronkron afiri ne nchen eye ade ye afiri no adwamammo. Iti masturbation me no beka wasemi, it falls under the category of sexual immorality. A holom na falling na me ba be single masturbation no ko de wura hunhum ehu the forces behind masturbation because hunhum bia ni din a wode ye adwuma. Na during a deliverance service no ade ba ko amehunu say esan say asofo ni adifo no bibiri na no eni nimdie efa ahonhom mone ani demons ne wonti no. They give these general kinds of deliverances. It won't work. To be honest with you, say wo ko na sofo no ka kiro say we Yesu di mu pieko I cast you out. Yes, in the name of Jesus no something must happen. That demon must run away. But the name of Jesus must be mentioned in accordance with the word of God. The only best deliverance we have on this earth is the word of God. And no say unipa no ba no betias no hunu ensutraso ewu mu a e manipa no yam sisi no na wadwane ato Kristo na de nyame befa yeso a kire o se koye adarese bia no e de oje eden abrew na me ka say bese ane ahomachi 5 o'clock thereabout binyako bi efri papa bi ho na oyinyame nipa wakanya me asem emfie dunum ni. In fact, as for them, they mean to me more assuredly for confidential purposes. Na nyamini pe ahwese oko asenka oye evangelism na afi wono wetumi aye masturbation 15 years of ministry throughout wa masturbating. Now ababedru baby a sabe ka frache the bema kra no ye de rubber ekwa kotum entumi sori bio afei ni wiase obaye onyimu obaa bi ada ontumi nyin sen ne yirimpo Because of that problem, no, the yere has been fighting with him. Why a bear denying the sex? All because he's been caught up about the saying that also for more a failure masturbation agina bosso. A demon be or a very powerful na Apollyon spirit and would deep side demon echi. Napoleon or ye in charge of many sexual immoral activities in the church. Ladies and gentlemen, issue we will be discussing. We have to share this message as much as we can. Na inipadudua obonefo ne do mko gu afiase wo sa masturbation mu no. Erade afani tumi so esane wo. Before the close of last year, I visited a particular secondary school in the eastern region. Many of them sorry. Na ebra me kono topic of the man se me kasa fa ho no. Nyame sesa no e de asem foforo se ma no. Na di nyame de ma me amene won koka ho asem no. Bi wi na eye homosexuality. It has got to do with the lesbianism, gay, and masturbation. The woman a fully victim of masturbation and kwara school kwara mako 250 masturbators. A ma wode won sa ehihye won ho. E die ben ne wom. E die ben na demons ni nye free mu. Tumi ben ne church ne sunso so be ne free mu ba. Eti die me say be di kan e de wako die obi di kan ye e wo kyerosimu a onyankopon eku no. Na mababe kire honhom nsunsanso die free mu ba bra obi de ho akose masturbation. Genesis chapter number 38. Making came from Genesis chapter number 38. Verse number 1 downwards. Genesis chapter number 38. Verse number 1 downwards. Umayenti asemwa esi ewo honom. Na afei yenhwe ne onyankopon ebeye. Genesis chapter number 8 verse number 1 downwards. Etifias emosi Yuda enetama na eba se ebre no aramu na Yuda free ni nuanom nchen ekoi na okotena Abdulani bia wo frɛ no Hira nchen na Yuda ehu Kenani bia wo frɛ no Sua ne baba ewo ho oware no na onene dai na onyinsene na owo babarima na otunidin ne bapani ni din ede na onyinsen bio wo obabarima na otunidin Onan na onyinsen bio ewo obabarima na otunidin Sela na owo no na owo Kise. Verse 6. Na Yuda ware yiri bi a wo frɛ no Tama ema na bakan na Yuda abakan edi amumuyesem Awurade anim na Awurade kumu. Verse 8. Na Yuda ka kyerɛ Onan sɛ ahanom na asem no wo. Na Yuda ka kyerɛ Onan sɛ ko wo nua yere no ho na fa no kunafo na wo emma wo nua no. Na Onan nim sɛ emma no enye ne dia na eba sɛ okɔ ne yere no ho a ɔma ne ho nsuo no egu fam sɛi na wango emma amma ne nua no. Na ade a ɔyɛ no ɛyɛ bɔne ɛwɔ Awurade anim enti okum ɔno nso. In this account no abrantie baaku bi a yɛfrɛ no Onan ne nua bɛɛma pani ɛware ɔbaa bi a yɛfrɛ no Tama. Na according to account no ɛyɛ bɔne ɛwɔ Awurade anim nti Nyankopɔn kum. Ɛna ne papa ne yɛ sɛ ɔmamamre mu no sɛ ɔbɛɛma kɔware ɔbaa okunafo ɔbaa na owugya no na wanwo a ne nua bɛɛma wɔ ho kwan sɛ ɔkɔfa saa okunafo no ɛyere na ɔne na wo mma ɛde ama ne nua na waka baabi a wantumi awo. Ɛno bi ne siye. Eti Onan sɛ ɔkɔ ɔbaa no ho na ɔne ne kɔda na ensuo ne ho nsuo no Tama ne ho sane no se ne ho ba menka ne sa se ne ho ba na Onan sebe wayi ni bema na free oba ni mu na wama sperms no egu form na Bible say saadie na Onan ye no eye bone ewo nyame anim eti Nyankopɔn kum no enye obema ni nkitahodie saa isi no na mebeka na emu meka e de aba besi masturbation ni so obi yibia hunhum ne etie na the question is say adenti na saadie na wo ye no Onyankopɔn kum no eno de wantwero di ntie Nyankopɔn kum no but o say eye bone ewo Nyankopɔn anim eti okum ono so de etie ni se ye ko hunhum mu a obi a oye spiritual person bia no you know what I'm talking about se ye ko hunhum mu a the idea ne bo den na esombo edima demons na emma ahohomone no adamoni no womiye very powerful broso in every sphere of life eye oba ana bema hunsuo eye very expensive spiritually eti eye nsuo those who are really in occult and deep mystical activities and your friend saying all kinds of rituals, no, they treasure and they value sa insuo so much. Na adieti Nyankopɔn ko ni say medical campaign e wo platform ni say sa insuo no a e free obema ho sperms no ana estrogen no e mogya na Nyankopɔn ade your friend spilling of blood ompe se obi be hwi mogya edibim egu ompe na saa mogya kokko ne wo yemu no eno na Nyankopɔn process ye e de ba fom na o ma ne beda ni ensuo it is who's sperms ba e mogya se who's estrogen ba e mogya saa mogya e nipa eti Nyankopɔn pese onipa bi ebe spell it is the same as murdering somebody. Now many people have murdered a lot of souls and not natural assembly friend mojahiego eto mojahiego so it is a obema presenting who in any form of sexual activity even se waware na wo yire woni ni siem na wo boapa etu obema no bra wo sane wo na wo mensuo no gu fomo a wo bra wonim se ensuo no esese ko ba ni mu no na wo mani hwiegu ese ya saade na wo ye no ene Kristo nti Nyankopɔn kum but hunhum no bibi fufuro koso eti obi a wo ye masturbate bia no wo serious problem na be ba be kirewo amwo hu sede wa bra mo no ma na wiyo na se wo saate bi ni mu a wo de wo nan sibrika adwane ato Kristo no waboa wo if is a saate bi na wakwa akotom no se wanye careful a wuntumi mfiri mu ende wo hoda na de ebro so kura ne se ade e friend dan kwa enkwagi heaven unya binko unya binko eti eye behie sem papa ememma bibri ato masturbation e Christopher memma enware ye o madwi nyina ne se masturbation ni de se be ya esa se me ware nti na me nkofo oba de me mu adwaman obua obodwaman adwaman traso emumuye kase ewurade ni ene waye eti de Nyankopɔn ensese mu woye yeni se obema husuo ebesene aba na tese waware eti se wonware ya na woye emasem na okose condom na oba besia wonso nware na woso husuo no wasefo na estrogen ne ba na obema no so no ba na mumi no mo sei ensuo no a be ka kire se sei ensuo na wasei no se moti ase a be be kire mo de yekoso huhu if se na no a o na hwi ensuo no guye willfully na wo sei no nyame ku no eti eden na binu se condom no mo sei ensuo na nyame ku wom obeti ase eye den ena oba besia otumi ni obema kosiem wo bra wonim se enyi wukuru na wo husuo san ba na opepa wo nkɔworo ho etu isuo no gu obeti ase ni nti a woda so te ase nyame nku obeti ase na de tie ne se Satan nim say so nya de adwamammo ebedo kuro nipadua no a ade aye frɛ no enkwagye onibi eti wo ma nipa bebree ade wo ho ama adwamammo watu adwamammo no apete ama na bɛyɛ kɔmɔ na ɛsono ne wɔn nya warefoɔ ɛbɔ adwaman ɛna ɛsono ne gayfoɔ ɛnso ɛyɛ mekaba mediba besi gay ɛne lesbianfoɔ no so ɛna lesbianfoɔ so no ne ɔmo yɛ ansa na masturbators for no so de ɔmo yɛ na medical catcher say sa bema ho nsuo ana oba ho nsuo no ɛyɛ the most expensive element ɛwɔ honhom na honhom no yɛ friend holy blood ne kyerɛ sɛ mogya efi ɛne kikawo bi anye de ɛni ho eti in the demonic world no the demon Satan ɛpɛ nsuo no ɛde manufacture a lot of demons me pɛ sɛ ɔte yi ba Satan ɛpɛ nsuo no bema ho nsuo no ɔpɛ ɛde ayɛ a lot of demons ɛde aba asase yi so na saa demons na wɔde ba asase yi so the question is say ɛhefoɔ na ɔba bɛha wɔn tie Satan Lucifer ɔne Nyankopɔn nya grudge ɛwɔ heaven ɛna Bible say wɔto wɔn yɛ dɛ ɛba asase yi so etu Lucifer ɛne fallen angels no angels na ɛwɔ ɔsoro no sɛ ekyɛ mu mmiɛnsa onyamu 1/3 ɛna ɔde wɔn ba asase yi so eti ɛbrɛ ɔde wɔn ba yɛ no ɔbɛto say the ability to produce was given to man, was given to living things, because ono Lucifer no ɔyɛ ɔbɔfoɔ ɛna ɔne abɔfoɔ nso na ɛde ɛbaayɛ na ɔne wɔn abɔfoɔ no they don't have the ability to produce. It is Satan sat down. Lucifer gave birth to Satan. I've always been saying it. Nyankopɔn wambɔ Satan obo Lucifer ɔyɛ Lucifer, but Lucifer gave birth to Satan. Eti ebra oba asase so no ɛna wɔtena ase dwene hu no say no demons so are, because the fallen angels they turn into demons. Bible say ebinum kogu nsuom, ebinum kogu kwayem, ebinum kogu meposo, eti no ebinum basase kesi so eti he displaced them or place him advantage areas. Eti wo mobile no Lucifer will say the ability to produce has been given to living things. Abuawo, udipawo, all living things reproduce except angels. Angels cannot reproduce. Angels ain't doing anything. It is the only and say they will find ways and means of multiplying the fallen demons. They will find ways and means of multiplying the demons, fallen angels not by them. Womo pe akwenya we eye huhuma sempa na menoka eti na ubia oye gay, ubia oye masturbator, ubia oye a lesbian sankofo no Nyankopɔn declare ma kyese se osura mam na yen asofo no kwafo yankase bia mamo amfama amma Nyankopɔn chen ensu emu nyame so a me say onkwaje wunya bida if se saade na waye no wamo Nyankopɔn aboka wamu Nyankopɔn animaguase wamu Nyankopɔn anyini abafom what promote the kingdom of darkness, but you don't know if se mo no mu wani na so mu hu ade ena munim bone hu nyansa bone munim hu nyansa. Jeremiah chapter number 4 verse 22 okan se bi wo manya bone hu nimdie bia eye me nwanwa. Jeremiah chapter number 4 verse number 22 yeti no dimfo Jeremiah kan it is hard na boye no there are serious spiritual consequences. You people have no idea. Or say if we say me my ejimi wonim me we a man kwasiafo na woni hunumu we ye bone hu anyansafo na papa ye die wonim pati asemo o say o ye bone hu anyansafo na papa ye die wonim na die tie ne say Satan buy no on launching network bi. Sa network no launch ye no. The main purpose was say abofo odom free so buy no omusa. Enipa so wa na ewo. It is a nipa wa na ewo. Na abofo ni so a ebeye den na watumi ni enipa dudu a compete. It is one of the agenda, very crucial assignment Lucifer and delegate Satan say one year and they say obe multiply the fallen angels are omaba. The question is afi kwan ben so and na bonsam ebe multiply the fallen angels are omaba. Eye kwan mienu. E kwan mienu no eno nie. Die di kan ene say se Nyankopon e di tumi a yede wo the ability to reproduce, to give birth, to produce or the nipa dia ene na bonsam obepe kwan bi so ene nipa ada said ye nipa be ma ne wo ba ahie mu anyin sen ba no wone nipa ema ma ebeda na wafasa kwan no so awu demons ni bi aka ho. That was one way. And the second one is be ma ne hunsuo no a ema nipa ba no wo bepe kwan bi so ame nipa ene be ma ne wo ba ankwan kosie mu na be ma ene be ma ahie mu na be ma nkasa soso ne be ma twetwe ma ne ho asane no se de be ya se nsuo no wo mo beso na huhu mu no wo bi akwakogu ade bi ye friend incubators. Eti nimdia discovers this scientist discover ye e de incubator no ye huhu mu ade ye huhu mu asem. Eti ensem ya me no kai no se obi nyini huhu mu a onte ahye ohunu da. If the same way ansana Kristo ebenam ne honhom so de ama no age wo bi oye no kwafo watene nyame na se edu ne kurama no. It is a woman say me kenya me asem a enye only theology and defending the scriptures and America na mu Nyankopon de honhom ehuntasem amame a ese se me ma wiase ehunu na fe the works of darkness no me expose you na nipa to be dwaneje wo krankwa because it is serious. John 4:24 say our God is spirit, and those that worship him must worship him in spirit and in truth. Without the spirit, you cannot serve God, you cannot see God, you cannot be faithful to God, you cannot be diligent to his word. And nothing that asofo no e deliver mo deliver. And nothing that we ya obi ho a ompew we hu sadidi pra no opeso jai na nso ontumi when the this contract na mano. Why end this contract no amano. Eti enuanom Satan will say a kwan mienu e no befa so a obetumi anya the multiplicity of fallen angels, demons a wono obeye adwuma. If say the number of people we say over 7 billion people in we say eti percentage of Satan di free so by they were less. It is a Satan di bibi say there be obinya more fallen angels, more demons a wono obeye adwuma. Okono okaso ni nipa ADC a ontumi because he needs a lot of demons to be able to manipulate humanity, to be able to destroy the lives of humans. It was as so. It is the first option of fire. No, it is recorded in Genesis chapter number 6, verse number 1. The Bible, the first one, and the yes spiritual marriage who warrior. The no one send a baby. The first one, Genesis chapter number 6. Verse number 1. That was more fun to me. Kasabi brebetin amameti ya kakra. Etifias mosi enipa ene bone. Enipa ene bone. Mekenka osi na enipa fiase doso asase so na wawo ema won no. Onyankopon ma ehunu enipa mama se wo ho yefe. Waka 2 words onyankopon ma ehu enipa mama. Now the question is onyankopon ma no omo ye hefuo ne nipa mama ne so eye hefuo. Onyankopon ma no eye spirit beings tiu eye den spirit beings abofo wo free soro ye den eba asase so wo mo ne Lucifer eba asase so no wo mo ba no behu se enipa mama na omo wo mo ho ofe enti ne sadia one be take the first option I make say one more fire, one be multiply omo number no ye hadie. It was saying that Nyankopon ma ehunu enipa mama say wo ho ye fe na wo ware wo mu biara wo pe tio na wo ware wo mu biara wo pe. The radical say me ho ring chira onipa mu enkosi da efri say wo ye honam enti ne na ebeye emfie aduoro ba mefa verse we no AC ha Bible no say abofo no ba down first option we take it say yankasa we don't have the ability to produce here ye be ware inipa mama no inipa omo mama na omo awo mo a omo ho ofe no ye be ware wo eho na spiritual marriage huhuma ware ye dey esase free ye eho na demons no sase ye ene inipa mama edaye eti oba ebeko kete so na one bema eda ewodaye mu ehonum ne free by spiritual marriage no ehonum ne free by na die nti a wo mo yes ane say na demons ne pese wo mo ne ema ne da se de be ya wo betumi ene ema no awo ewo honhum enti saa daye na ya moso se obi no da ewo honhum ewo daye mu no eye real eye spiritual world eye the metaphysical world baby a okra no ewo no ehonum na saa de no ekoso na ka ehunu say so nipa okoda okete so a okra no opie firi mu wunya kata wani na okra na pie firi mu it is a won kata wani a okra no ompie it okra no ewo realm of the spirit a owo saa na nipa bia no so wo the realm of the asase ono so it nipa bia no belonging to this physical world ayedi eni wo no but okra ne de belong to the metaphysical world in between the spiritual and the physical world and a friend metaphysical world a honum so na demons no operating a honum na Satan any dom operating a honum na womo ye mass production of demons eti kwan ba ko womo faso na womo multiply demons no and they say womo ne inipa mamba ebedida eti woma bebre wo a they have given birth spiritually to demons na the thing says so womo ne wo da said ye bema ni oba da nyi se ba no sa pepepe eti obi wo a obeso daye na wonyem obi wo a obeso daye no wawo enne bia ye no obeda wo daye mu no sa nkwada no wonyem ewu wom gu huhu mu and these are demons womu abasasi so kwan ba ko no afi kwan ye to so mienu ni say ebene ko na ewie ya ye bo edwamama ho asem na enipa nya ogie e free sa spiritual marriage ni mu no womo san lanche another network and they say this time around no say yijai ema wo be ma ne oba no demons no ene oba ne koda eto da bia otumi nyinsen akwara ba akopɛ eto da bi so no wanyinsen twins eti hunhum no they are unable to meet the numbers as compared to the numbers of human beings enipa awo mabasasi so eti there was still the distance the gap the numerical gap necessary Satan for another network so na close that numerical gap and that in reality enipa any who demons so say was suma mo koye nipa ho bone e wasase so no eti the next one on lunch here and they say and the sadia e mema no se mema hu nsuo no ehwie baako a tini pa ho ehwie baako te say atrekese baako ma mema hu nsuo se nya ehwie se pe. According to scientists, any of discoveries, spermatozoas a womb and now sperms are a womb no, over 60 million spermatozoas. Today, Paul, over 60 million spermatozoas, which means say all these 60 million only nipa. The question is, why be the befasoa this time around? You be 60 million from one man. It is a one man beer ever 60 million. Now you were about 5 billion men and 3.5 billion men e wo wiase nyina na yinya emu 1 billion no mo may sperm so no na for every 1 billion each one be an 60 million from where you can imagine the number of demons on between you producing in the dark kingdom and no enemy Satan launching another deadly weapon the highest form of sexual immorality gay because gay there is you know and call the right channel it won't be so demons no be so afi lesbians e man so wo hu suo na eba no wo mo be so afi e member e masturbate ene ma wo mo so di wo mo nsa e hye so ma se se de be ya wo mo nyina wo hu be sane wo number rich orgasm no e di hwese de ade ne tie mema masturbate a wo nsuo no a eba no ne ho ba nsuo no demons no honam fam de gu fam o ba honhom the demons no beso a very precious to them a holy blood. They needed to expand their kingdom. They needed to produce more demons. If you do not have eyes, you cannot see what is happening in the spiritual realms. Now we are no free wa. A man no masturbate no munsu no ba. A man also the womansa esiso mase. A binum the vibrators. Ye were electronic vibrators or the pluggy electricity na or the aseno. Na fe sabe. And then that is any obema and then that pepe. Na nasia for na insu na ba. Say insu no so one so. If the oba wants you know, and no the bema no wants you to secretary because mumu release egg na. As I say yes, you release egg. Then me no be sia. It the demons collect all this insu no. Na womo dia ko. Mumu omo machinery mechanism. Womo di produce your friend incubators. It will say scientists have been able to develop your friends incubators that they have machines and then woman to me collecting bema wusu na oma kwa the ovary the eggs of a woman na woman the issue no ababesia oba ne egg no without human beings so and depend ho we woman ye nipa mu agi obi a okoye implant or kwakoje bema wusu obi o the tubes are blocking or kwakoje bema wusu no dia kwakosia egg no outside the fallopian tube to settle in the womb and yet no one sem na maker but when they spiritually no so mudia they have machinery a honum na scientist discovery ebaye eti obi a oye scientist bia no the person does not operate with the physical eye. The person operates with the seed sense and your spiritual sense. Without the seed sense, you cannot discover anything. You don't have your seed sense are not working. Your third eye are not working. You must say bobo was so. It in case so be dear radiatia or man who crying na won kronkron ye ne ma na won kronkron die nani na ade ekoso honhom no otumi hunu if say nyankopon or ye honhom. And without a spiritual eye you will never understand God and you will never know his ways. And nothing you don't understand the entire you keep on doing what you are doing because Satan the contract dear mamo wa mamo duma kese bi mo and when you see was say or be famoso and the promoting na hini or famoso and the expanding the kingdom. And you look at the number of people in China, look at the number of people in Nigeria, look at the number of people in all parts of Asia, look at the number of people in Europe, look at the number of people in Africa. In fact, Satan needs a lot of demons to be able to compete with the numerical strength of human beings. And that is why mo amuye gay wabomo pa wamamo contract mo amuye lesbians wamamo contract. Eti a man no eye gay no muhusu kono na a man lesbians no muhusu ko a man no e masturbate no muhusu kono na man no so de omonsa wo mase no muhusu ko. Eti say should be no ex no wom ovaries no wom and no na ebesia no mo dia produce demons in the spiritual world. Eti obia wama wuhunsuo ehwie gubia no waboa ama Satan ahidie ayekese wama na demons bibra wodi hedipa ma e wasase so. Very serious, very challenging. These things I'm telling you say when hunu no wan tiase na ende wan fa na masturbation wen yai na gay wen yai na adie bia isusuanso poni a ebema the kingdom of darkness aye expanded when free mu a me say Yakupon or best say when wasefo very serious. It is this is the purpose. And nuntina ebra onan according to Genesis 38 ebra onan any wobande kodaya woma ne hunsuo no sperms no ehwie gu fom no eno ne man Yakupon bu ne komkun no because yaminim say ensuo sperms na wo hwie gu ye no wama demons na fa ensuo no e de akwa produce more demons, more angels, fallen angels to destroy humanity. Don't forget say Lucifer is at war with God. Lucifer, he is at war with God. Now war now he has with God no. The only purpose they say one person only pay be nyankopon ye na basasi should be nyankwa. Because when Yankopon from the beginning of creation, Ojabo for no ho, and no better a form doty at the year menu me no, and no car say, what the assassin should depend on and my yen. eti wodane agyapade obey na asase su de ma onipa Adam. Eti eye Satan abufuo se wo mobu Nyankopɔn eye abodi nyinara ekriti bibia ne Nyankopɔn ntumi amfasa ne ma nanhyɛ ne nsa no de brɛ yɛn. Eti yɛn sɛ ye wadwen sɛ Satan do nipa obua bɔne na wo ma wudie no ɔno ɔtan kokokokoko ɔgye wo kra ne de akɔ sɛyim ɔgye wo kra ne de akɔ amaneem ɔpɛsɛ wo kra ne kɔ amanehunu krom ɔpɛsɛ onipa benya nkwa. And this is how Satan has been able to produce a lot of demons. Demons no more doso keke. They are demons no more bruni pasu wasasi so. Yabawu nipa wa but they have sufficient demons for because people who are seriously engaged in masturbation, those who are seriously engaged in lesbianism, those who are seriously engaged in gay, those who are seriously engaged in homosexuality, all these people continue to produce demons. They continue to deliver the holy. Sorry. They continue to deliver this holy blood. A year moja in a feeling they continue to deliver it unto the devil. And the demons will keep on collecting them. Iti afema menchire wadie. Se obi masturbate ya edeme ni free muba se esuo na wama na kono wama na afiri ho akọ a Satan afa ni nyina de akọ produce demons no. Number 1 huhumu no esa se Kristo abewunti instant justice and Nyankopon emiti out during the Old Testament covenant no Yesu Kristo obewu yenti onye biu demu omanipa na konya se won sachira na edin say obi a waba beye masturbator obetumi adwane afrim esan say eye captivity of your senses wadwen se wonya asase se wo ye masturbation only wo bi you don't only wo you are not on your own one kasa no o senses no ade a ye frɛ no jai. You break that nerve, no? You do not have any information transmitting to the mind. Say, near wo ye no engage. So what try say will be jai pa. Abroswa na 48 hours. Abroswa na 1 day, 2 days, and now 2 weeks. Obesa come back to go and masturbate. You become attached to it. It becomes an addiction. It becomes an addiction. It sa masturbation no. Any pornography elenam. It is oye bema adia wo hwa ebema wo kwan do se wo ne bema beda eno na wodi je hu se obehwe so yo ba adia ebema wo kwan do se wo ne oberima beda e de bema eno na woni beje hu se obehwe. It most of people who masturbate you will find on their mobile phones pornography. They have downloaded all kinds of pornography. Now, from the beginning, you begin with mild pornographic content. But as time goes on, you go on with a rough and hardcore pornography. Every masturbator goes along with pornography. So, one for pornography and antia, or ye bema on a mabontia, or peso share ma adigem, or peso who said the ema, or mo sabi, or madigem, or munufu, and no motu, the sensitive part, exposed to the outside world. Sadia no, nenino ayete se camera, and no brofo no hair, so those who are discoverers no, one more hair so edi manufacture camera. If say a dear beer when need a snapo, not a save automatically to the brain. Whether you ask it to save it or not, the eye will snap and save the picture. It is to save picture no during the time of masturbation. No, that is the time one. Adreno will recall a lot of pictures. Pictures are snapping in all the pornographic content, all the seductive women whom you expose yourself to. You will see, say, the mind will bring all those pictures, camera, when the camera, no, a snap no back to you. And based on that, you begin to masturbate. When you begin with the masturbation, what they do, they say, your soul is taken to prison. It is the reason why you cannot stop masturbation. The reason why they've been delivering you, you've been going for deliverances, and you've been saying all kinds of prayers, and still you find yourself addicted to masturbation, is that the soul has been taken into prison, spiritual prison. The prison, no, spiritually, you was prison. I would do me, you know. Yaba will never from one. You were prison back, but whom no prison ye be, you know. Bonsam on fa again, and the worker and the echo chef yes bako, or separate again from the soul. It or the soul no cause fierce different, or the against what causes a fierce different. Even if you hear the word of God, even if you hear the word of God, baby a soul listen, it cannot connect with the mind. Now what you mean about you? That's a soul no so to say, or GB bar, it cannot connect with the mind. It is the soul is taken to prison separately, and then the brain or the mind is also in prison separately. Now, when the soul is in prison and the mind is in prison, it is impossible for you to be chained. It is impossible for you to come out of whatever addiction you've been put in, except divine intervention. Eti yehadie bema biyano Unyankopon abodie to aso ode ma bema Nyankopon bo Adam pe ba hwe nipa dodo e wasase so na tese enipa e ba ye nyina no omugu mema yase eti wo bema bia wa yase e honom ne nipa gu eti se ye be wo doctor ni abasase so a e wo wa yase ye be wo pilot abasase so a e wo wa yase eti onipa bia ye wo na abasase so bi obeye no e wo bema yase eni wo ba yase enuti na ye dangerous say obema ebeye masturbator enuti na se bema eye sade na Nyankopon akele the future wa killing the life wa more ye useless eti mema biblia ho a they are blaming witches and wizards for their misery and afflictions in life. Eye witches and wizards eye wa na motu eye wa na motu. Jeremiah chapter number 1. Jeremiah chapter number 1. Making kind na yehu asema ewo ho. Jeremiah chapter number 1. Verse number 4 to number 5. Ebemayen an idea of one of the consequences for masturbation. Or say, na erade asem eba me nchen say, minya menwene wo oyefunu mu no na menimu. Neche say, unyem firi o papa ayase. Embeto wo ma me yefunu mu send be ya Nyankopon will start the process of creation in the womb of your mother no. Na unimu. Eti wo a wo hwe me, na Nyankopon nimu. When you pefe say today you are a masturbator, then you make unimo ansana will be free oma o papa ayase ako awodi eko a yede okotu na wonyam free edi em free awotwa emu no ena mete wo ho bisiu odifo mema amanaman o say ebra oye mojato ewo maame awotwa emu in the womb no ena odi ni stamp esiu so odi seal esiu so say pai ena o certify say wo Jeremiah oba be odifo e de ama amanaman oba be som me obeye me sofo. Now the account here ema yehunu say onipa bia no se wo ba sase so a ansa na be ba sase so no nyaminim adwuma ko a wo ba be den wo ba be ye na onipa bia wo yie die no nkoso egira wo mba tie pa wo yie die no nkoso egira wo mba wo ba be wo isan say obre bebrebe yi adwumaden bebrebe yi se eyeyen ko a de bedini ne be senti a kaye mbre bebrebe sei se yeyen ko a de bedi ene de be se enti a ahia no nipa da se ne wo bedi but obre bebrebe yi ene adwumaden a yeye nyina eyeyen ma enti enkwada ye be wo mu nti isan say se ye de nkwara ne ko school na de enti Nyankopon de wo mabasa ase so no they come to fulfill the purpose of this earth. It is obiye masturbation na wo hwie nsuo no gu a Sayon kwadana nyame di omu gu wa yase ewo nsuo no mu no weku omu nyina ba na kanyame hwe ni mu say enkwadana beba asase so through sex with your wife one by one na die nti a wosiesi wo se wo mmra asase so no wo maba because of you a particular generation has been denied of divine help because of you obi has been denied of a wife because minim say sa your friend say masturbation akoye insu na ohwiegu ye no na nkese se owo oba baabi sa oba ba no Nyankopon siesie no e di ma baema bi because of wo ni ye boni nti oba na mma wodi na kwa akoma ahohomone ama o ma turning into demon and sa demon no na nkese se oba sase so na nka sa oba na nkese se oba sase so na nka baema yi eware no na mo wo mma ese asase so mma te se ni Nyankopon asema ka no wa man nyame adwenfu amagusa eti die nyame ye ne se obi a o masturbate bia no se wo wan kwanko join secret cult na wan kwanko di bonsam wachi na wan ye bonsam apede amfa amano a ade ye fredi yedie wonye bida wo bibia wababedi awrade achi. You have not declared yourself a son of the devil. You claim to be a child of God, yet you masturbate. Disappointment ebe your portion all the days of your life. Afei, wo bema no ebedru baabi no, ye the pipe betu obi a waye masturbation bia wait asema make se me ye otrofo a ubegunu bebre na ye the pipe atwo mo bema because of masturbation. Go and do your research. Go out and find out. Many people, if you say obi masturbation bia no se Nyankopon mo we ye the pipe ebe to obey because you are going to contract prostate cancer. The more and more he say ugusu twetwe obema na wo twetwe ade ne ye o ya batu to me nyai e bonsabo wo de so na kwa koto afiase e de wa kidnap wa twene no so akoto afiase eti wudumi de wo de biara da eti sa ensu na bohwigo no de di kan ne say wo yie die asa onye yi wasase so na de enti a wo mo ye gay wo mo ye lesbian wo mo sika no e de say wo mo de Satan assign contract e wo hunhumo de da. They have already sold their souls to the devil. It is a obi e gay obi e lesbian. That person is beyond salvation. Tidiepa, that person is beyond salvation. Say the pano Nyankopon je ne nkwa enyeyi. Say the pano nyame je ne nkwa enyeyi. Enyame na meka wo ewu nyame asemu. If say titimremu a de besi New Testament mu korampo no. Wo se de obeye say ti wade en wonchi ni si na bonye de enku no. What you say? Wonchi ni si na bonye de enku no. It is important for all of us to understand, say, and then no. The lighting system, no, I a bit down. Mama may fix it, pay another source of light, kakra. Good, I think, say, we bebua kopem say, I get my light restored. Good. We beboa until I get my light restored. Eti yankoso na yinti. Eti saa insuo no a mama demons no asoso no omde kono. Ni yete ne say we ye die nyina afri unsa. Number 1. Afi number 2. Adia ye frɛ no spiritual freedom. Unya hoto. Wabra bobeye atete saa de akosi ewiye afei ade ye friend stable relationship onya bi na meka say de enti a wo mo ye gay no me lesbians omo sika any say wo mo they have traded their soul to the devil omaton omo soul no omo kra no omaton de amabonsam enti no omo master no will find every means to promote and to increase them financially. Eti monetary wise no, woman you almost ka, One say omo a pornographic industry ni mu no. Omo iskapa because the works of the devil no oye assignment e was asiso. Etino obia woye gay or ye lesbian. According to the word of God, you are beyond salvation. Saa deɛ no na Sodom and Gomorrah fo ye ya ema Onyankopɔn ɛde sɔfre. Ema Onyankopɔn ɛde sɔfre ɛne igya ɛbɛyɛ den ɛba bɛhye wɔn. Enti no se onipa bi ba asase so na saa nipa no ehunu saa honhom ahuntasem wo ya wabrabɔ no waba bɛsɛ no. Enti ene no mepese hunu sɛ Onyankopɔn a yaba bedi n'akyi no wo a waba bɛyɛ masturbator ade afre ni yedie one no tonkwanta mapai onye bi. Enti sɛ wonim sɛ wonye yedie a ɛna na ɛsɛ entempa no Kristo die oye humobro masturbators dem wo ni da so but gay ni lesbians dem ni da so because ɛbɛyɛ din sɛ nyame bɛgye wo nkwa. Gay ni lesbian ebeye den saa de na boye ye no you really promoted the kingdom of darkness. You really promoted the kingdom of darkness and you allowed God to suffer so many losses. You allowed God to suffer so many losses. Eti amamo de mudi no ye free aheni no mudeda. Nemu ne aka ne se Onyankopon atemu da kese no beba. Ye duma ko se yim. But masturbators dear, you have hope. And then Kristo wasoma me say me nemu a moye masturbators no enkasa. Na mu hunu ne moye. Eti the more you continue to masturbate, the more you produce demons for the devil. The more you produce fallen angels for the kingdom of darkness, the more you expand their kingdom. It is a who expanded the kingdom of darkness. Anu ye ben na da Kristo beba no ubi ye. That is the question. Anu ye ben ena wo. Wuni anu ye bia if se dano se Yesu Kristo ba no be boate mo bebu sa say. Na wo kora wo ba asase so no. The ode wa bra bo be ye no o sase promote the kingdom of darkness. Oma the demons no be doors once you ye de koye demons e reproduction bebre e bi kura won ko a wotumi produce about 8 billion demons e mo ba asase so be ha Nyankopɔn ma. The question is o kame ho ana say o wo bonsam afa saa no yie no eno na Kristo begina so ayeden e de abu watan eti me do ko kyoro semnim na afei de Nyankopɔn asem ka e de fa onipadua na wodi yes ade nipadua na wodi yes ade no ye hwede Nyankopɔn eka 2 Corinthians 5 verse 10. 2 Corinthians 5 verse number 10. Afei me do back the pure word for you to know the consequences of masturbation or what you are doing with your body. 2 Corinthians chapter number 5 verse number 10. Making kind tree, no. 2 Corinthians chapter number 5 verse number 10. Or say, na etwase ye nyina kopie Kristo atemu dwa anim ho. Na die obiara nam ne nipadua so ye no. Papa wo boni o. Sɛdeɛ ɔyɛ no obetua nka. Ɛsɛ sɛ ye nyina kopie etwase ye nyina ye kopie Kristo atemu dwa anim ho. Na die wonam wo nipadua so ye no. Sɛ ye papa o, sɛ ye boni o, obetua so ka. Eti kan hunu sɛ die wodi wo nipadua na ye no. Adapaade na wo bo nipadua no. Saa amane na wodi wo nipadua no to no. That thing you are doing with your body no. Eno na Nyankopɔn begina so edi wa kwatemu. Eti no, be very careful with what you are doing. Medika kyerɛ honhom ensunsuanso a efiri masturbation mu ba. Ebi de say we ye bema na wo masturbate, we your ba na wo masturbate a. One of the punishment that Nyankopɔn besa de ama on say you will not be able to give birth to a child of your own. You will not, never. Nyame be kum because you have already given your children to the devil. You have turned all of them into demons. It you know, adia your friend that wo untumi wo. It you maybe wo they masturbated in their early ages of life. Okay? And along the line they stop. After the oma worry. They are not able to produce. You can imagine who you made it clear, you certify, say you don't want to give birth, so you ended up pouring all the sperms away, and it was registered. It you know no and yet the obetumi say oba. Even say who koware kurampo a wo yere obefa wachi because wo ankasa no yi dwamanfo deda to ba befa wachi. So ate asem na say enti ema bebra efo mokum no achi no enye bibia dodo na ye honhom asem. And afi emema bebre nso a wo mo fa mo yiri no machi no bebre na ye honhom asem enye suban because oba no oye masturbation on the sa wo no ho ema ono ankasa enwo sepe no ebra na oye ababawa ebra na oye young lady eti afi oso aware no be ma no nyankopon so a break the link between homosexuals eti no wo betumi akware fu mienu fi bema masturbate oba mas awarefu wo mo masturbate sebe obema no oba ehye bodie kurampo no enyo mo de bio. If say they want to feel the pressure, they want to feel that particular orgasm, na enyemwa eye satan aiden ayemosa enti madesrede ene mafutu sesia no ene say onipa biara wo ye masturbator, the time is now for you to get in touch so that unyankopon be fa me so aboa wo. Emfa nya kwadro. Emfa nye akwadro kra. Isa say wan hwi ya. Erade ebeye den say wo be boa wo. The enkwaji no now is the time. Ene odombre. Ene bra esese wo utumi eboaboa wo na osori na wugina na ode wakoma mame na urade fa me so ye den eboa wo. If say wanye saa de dia menua obebre e wate asefo asase so. Eti ade a esese uhuru no eti wo sei di onipa nam ni nipadua so ebeye no ede oba kopie atemu ya Romans chapter number 12. Romans chapter number 12 verse number 1. Romans chapter number 12 verse number 1. Paul ede afutu bi esa maye wo. Romans 12 verse 1. Eti enuanom bijanyankopon mu brohu so mitumofo se momfa mo nipadua esi wo se afode atiase momfa mo nipadua na wode ye masturbation no nipadua na wo say no. Bible so said you obey say nipadua no mirror the meden me say no. Colossians chapter number 3 verse number 5 to number 7. Colossians chapter number 3 verse number 5 to number 7. Enti munkum mo akwa a ewo asase so no adwamammo efia de ye akono nse so akono body ene anibra ya bososo yenum na ede onyankopon abufu ba na eno na akane no na mutimu enso na monanti mu eti no another way sade na oye ede nyankopon abufusie aba na take it from me spiritual point of view obi a wa masturbate pain na wantumi amfa the right process so amma Kristo anyo na asenwe no wasempa no and transform your life no. I'm very sorry to disappoint you. Say nipa no you go back to hell. It's about time one inipa nyina ebe realize the seriousness of masturbation. Asofo masturbate, emayo masturbate, empedifo awarifo masturbate. A lot of people have been held ransom hosting to this particular masturbation. It's in Romans chapter 8 verse 12. O kasembi o osie nuanom enti mohwe de enya honam de de ka ne atenase ma honam da se atenase wo honam mu a yebewu. Enti ladies and gentlemen, I am bringing the message to an end. This is a very serious matter. The chirimu, the spiritual insight now we receive no. Who say so we are masturbator. 1, you have expanded the kingdom of darkness. You are an enemy of God. 2, you have also taken away your prosperity. So never think, say, one day you'll be able to get rich, unless, say, you renounce your association with God and then go to join the dark world. Kope occult be joining. Kope Freemason, Illuminati be joining. And no the bemo ye because how them the gays for lesbian for obet you ka amanabro so. Afei ebiu we a bema we your bar. Now ugusu ye masturbation and one masturbate ya awe di awo. Yakopon o ma unya ye fumu ba no wa will be da. Disappointment ebetina also hwamodie ye showba emmem wabra bo begija ebeye basa na hwese wabasa asiso no wantumi awo ne ya no niba eti erade wo hu na bema bia obe masturbate bia ye the pipe ebeto obem enu die agise ebi ende ya wo ti na odwane ntempa enu die bia Kristo obehu bobo. But as far as I know, it will lead to prostate cancer. Na wo you kwai obefa so adwo so no ubehu na hwese ye be ma ne de pipe ato obem afa ye masem no ubehu kwai obefa so obeye no the Kristo akere say ono no bo osoro ani asase na the chini nanim tumi bie no ho be the Kristo asubei ja beti me makwan for questions ebra enyomi ekoso yi me makwan for questions wo question bi a obetumi ebisa ebra be de masturbation no eba na wiye. Me babe bompaye edi ama obi biara watie this particular teachings about masturbation no me no be bompaye na Kristo afame so asane wo ise wanyewa ebeye de wanyewa ebeye de so wo question bi so a obetumi edi aba afei baby bia wo bia wo hwe me bia no the person ma woni ba wo so secondary school kwada asofo a mo masturbate evangelist a mo masturbate whatever your problem is ebre no ni me ma akonya se de be ya onyame be fa me so aboa eti me the WhatsApp number no e ba beto platform ne so you can contact me na Kristo afa me so agel akwankyere ne de me fa nto platform yi so if said the boy for be free one more in your mother so best at your mere country in your mom. Bekaise bese 2 years ago, 3 years ago, now me dealing with masturbation. I had a lot of calls from many parts of Africa, especially Ethiopia, Uganda, Nigeria, Kenya. These people were serious masturbators. Na Christopher Meso Ebua Womunina eti Abraham de WhatsApp line no ato platform ne so no. You can get in touch. Send your beya Erade befa me so na osane wo afri saa epochiri ni. Media me yasomafo meduma ne say Erade befa me so no age onkwaje wo hia me. Enti no say masturbators enyan kwade a e na necessary me boa ho. Na Kristo ehye ne woni nyam e wo mabrabo. Minim so betumi age mo. Afi afei me no ba bebo empire na mabɔ mpaeɛ kae wo mo a wo me masturbators nyinaa ya mo no ahyɛ wo ma asɛm no so you din now follow us and you know emotion ever. Nyankopɔn a wode asɛntie yi ahyɛ ma no meda wase sɛ honhom nsɛm a na ama nipa bebree a watɔ sɛ afidie mu nipa bebree a Satan afom no mu ɛwɔ saa amanneɛ mu no anwummerɛ wo na me so ne wɔn akasa na wɔn wɔ hu saa ahudasɛm mu me Bible ne say Kristo bu wo mɔbɔ wo mududu a ɛbɛfrɛ na mɛkyerɛ wɔn wakwankyerɛ no na wasane wɔn na ɔgye ayɛ wɔn de a meda wase abrɛwia mefrɛ wa wo ba ne nso waba wo Yesu Kristo di mu nti amen.